Hello students, this is V. Srinivas, Department of Computers, working in SRR, Government Arts and Science College, Karimnagar. Today I am going to discuss about the topic is deadlocks. This topic is taken by Operating System 4th semester. So previous class we already discussed by the monitor and the definition of monitor and the syntax of monitor and next one the classical interprocess communications problem. So how many types of problems and how to rectify. The semaphores can be used in the other class, the synchronization and the problems and the besides and the mutual execution, some of the classical and the problem the flows of the process. The synchronization is the and the systems the where the cooperating and the process are present. The classical problems of the synchronization, bounded buffer and the reader writer problem and the dining philosopher's problem. So bounded buffer. So what is bounded buffer? This problem is the generalized in the terms of the procedure consumer and the problem where and the finite buffer pool is used to exchange messages between the producers and the consumers, the processes, because the buffer pool has the maximum size and this problem is often the called of the bounded buffer problem and the reader writer problems. In this, the problem where there are some the process and that only read the shared data and never change it, and there are the other processes who may and change the data and adding to recording or inserted and the reading it. Next one, the dining philosopher's problem. The dining philosopher's problem involves the allocation of the limited and the resources to group of the process is in a deadlock free and the free manner. So this topic is discussed by yesterday previous class, and today's class is the deadlocks uh, prevention. So what is deadlock? What is deadlock? So the deadlock is the situation where a set of process are the blocked. So the deadlock is the situation where the set of process is blocked because each process is the holding resource and the waiting of another resource the acquired by the other process. So the executed for the two process. So one process is the executed in or the blocked. So because each process is holding resources and waiting for the another resource acquired by the sum of the other process. So it is the deadlock is the situation is the set of the process is blocked. So that time the because each process so holding a resource and waiting another and the resource acquired by the sum of other process. So example, we take the one example when there are the two or more processes hold and some resources and the wait for resource held by the another. So we see the one the diagram is there. In this diagram acquired to the waiting for see processor 1 and the processor 2 the resource 2. So and the resource 1 resource 2, the resource 1 is completed and the second one the process is the waiting for the process is uh, waiting for the process. So this is the arrived and the waiting for the process. So the diagram is the one is holding and the resource 1 and waiting for resource 2, which is the acquired by the process 2 and the process 2 and the waiting for the resource. So necessary conditions of the deadlock. So uh, actually uh, deadlock, a process request the resources are the not available at the time. So the process enter into the waiting state and the requesting resources are the held by another waiting process. They both are in the waiting state and this situation is set to be. So the process request for the resources, the processor the in the process the one is the completed and the waiting for some time, the second one is the The second processor is the holding and the resource and waiting for the another resources. So this request is the resources. The resources are the available at the time the processor enter into the waiting state. So the waiting state is both processor and the waiting state. Deadlock is a set of blocked processes and each holding and the resource and the waiting acquire a resource and held by another process in the set. So example and the hardware resources, take the one another example. Hardware resources system has the type two types and the drives, P1 and the P2. So this is the process of P1 and the P2 each hold one one tab and the drive and each need another one. So example software resources and the semaphores A and the B1 initialized to 1. So here weight A and the weight B, weight signal B and the signal A. So P1 and the P0, this is the P0 and the P1 is the weight B and the weight A and the signal A and the signal B. So this is the process. One is the computed and waiting for the sometime, that is the hold for the resources and the waiting acquires the resources. This is called deadlock system. And what is generally deadlock? A set of blocked process. So process is the one or more are there. This set of totally process is the set is the each holding a resource and the waiting to acquire a resource held by the another process in the set. And the example system has two disk drives. So P1 and P2 and the each hold one disk drive and the each needs the another one. So example two train and the approaches each other at crossing and the both will come to full and the stop and neither shall start until uh, the uh, the other has gone. So deadlock prevention and various the deadlock avoidance. So deadlock prevention and the deadlock avoidance. So mechanism to ensure that at least one of the necessary conditions for the deadlock can be never occurs, and the mechanism to ensure that the system does not enter and unsafe of the state. So and the next one the prevention, the system does not require and the information on the existing resources and the resources availability and the resource requests. And the next one the system requires information on the existing of the resources, resource availability and resource requires to find whether the system is in a safe or unsafe state. And the non-blocking, the synchronization and the algorithms and the serializing the tokens are the sum of the deadlock. The prevention is the algorithms and the bankers algorithm is the most common deadlock avoidance of the algorithms. All resources are the required at once. So request for the resources uh, and the maintained until the least safe path found. And the next one, what are deadlocks? So what are deadlocks? A set of blocked process each and the holding resource and the waiting to and acquires a resource and the held by another. The process in the set and the example here the so a set of blocked processes each holding resource and waiting to acquire resource held by another process in the set. The process 1 and the request to printer and the get it, and the process to request the tape and the unit get the process 1, and the process 1 request the tape and the unit wait for process 2 or. So the process 2 and the request to printer and the wait for deadlock. So this is the process 1 and process 2. Process 1 is the request to printer get it and the 2 is the request to the tape unit and the get the process is the 1 and the process 1 request to the unit and the wait for the process 2. So this is the example of the deadlock. And the overview, resource resources, and the why do deadlocks occurs, and the dealing with the deadlocks, and the algorithm then them, and the Ostrich algorithm, and the detecting and the recovering from the deadlock, avoiding of the deadlock, and the preventing of deadlock. And the resources. So what is the resources? The resources is something, a process, and use, and usually limited at least, and the somewhat. And the examples of the computer resources, printers, and semaphores, the logs, and the tables in the database. So database is the organized collection of data. Tables are created in the database system in the so the software is available in the market, that is the SQL, structure query language. So in this language we prepare for the different types of tables. In this table, how to prepare the table, we take this some example, student database, and the student name, student hall ticket number, student marks, and the student address. So take this type of information. In this information, the student uh, create a table, student name, uh, student, and we take the student name and the hall ticket number, these contents. So insert into the table where the table is a student. So one by one we enter the information, student name, student hall ticket number, marks one, just one. Just we take that three members example. Student name is the Ramu, and the student address is Karimnagar, and the student uh, so and the student hall ticket number is 100. The second student is the Venkatesh, and the student address. So we write the some address and the marks. So 1 to 5, and set the, this total information will be displayed on the screen of the table. So that is called database management system. The tables are prepared in the database management system, and the printers usually available in the dot matrix printer and the laserjet printers. Two sides of printers available in the market. So and the difference between the dot matrix and the laser jet, it is the continuation pages. We take the printer, we take the print to in this printer, and the laser jet is the one by one, and the it's take the some different types of prints, and the processes need to access and the resources in the uh, reasonable order, and the two types of resources, and the preventable resources can be taken away from the process with no ill and effects, and the non-preventable resources will cause the process to fail if taken away. And when do deadlocks happen? The suppose the suppose when do deadlocks happen? The suppose the process 1, here you see the diagram is there, process 1, process 2. Process 1 is the A, process 2 is the B, and request resource B. So process 1 holds the resource. So this is the A is the hold the resource, and all the request for the resource B. So the process 2 hold and B and request for the A. So the both and the blocked. So it's a same time the one process hold, and the second time the second B is the hold. In the same time both are blocked. So with neighbor the able to process. So deadlocks occurs when the process are the granted, and the exclusive of the access to devices or the software constructs and the resources. Each deadlocked process and the needs to a resource held by the another deadlocked process. Yes, it is the diagram. It is a deadlock. Uh, so A to and the A and the B to B, and the using resources. So sequence of the events required to use the resources, and the request the resource, and the use the resource, and the release the resources. Sequence of event required to the use resources, and they cannot use the resource if and the request is denied, and the requesting process has options, and the block and wait for resource, and the continue if the possible, and the without if it, and the may be able to use, and the ultimate and the resource the process fails to with the and the error code. So already we discussed the definition of the deadlock and the formal definition. A set of the processes that deadlocked is the each process in the set of waiting for the event, and the only the another process is the set can be caused, and usually the event is the release the currently held resource in the deadlock, and the none of the processes can be run, and the release resources and the be awakened. And the next one, four conditions for the deadlock, and the mutual execution, hold and wait, and the no permission. Here the each resource assigned to at most one process, and the hold and wait a process holding, and the resource can be request more, and the resources no permission the previously granted resource, and the cannot be, and the forcibly taken away. The resource allocation graphs, here see the AR and the BS, TU and the CD. So here the resource allocation the modeled by the directed graphs, and the example 1 resource are assigned to process A, and the example 2 process B is requesting and the waiting for resource S, and the example 3 the process C holds T and the waiting for U, and the process D holds U and the waiting for T. C and D are in deadlock. So here see the three types of examples are there. Number one is the resource R assigned to A. So resource R, here see the diagram is there, resource R assigned to A, and assigned to A. Example 2, so B request for the waiting for S. So B request for assigned to waiting for S, and the example 2 the process C. C is the holds uh, for T, and waiting for U. The process D hold, so D hold, and the holds to U and the waiting for T. C and D are in the deadlocks. Here the C and D are the deadlocks. Okay. This is the resource of the allocation of graphs, and dealing with the deadlock. Next one, the dealing with the deadlock. How can the operating system deals with the deadlock? So operating system is the most important of the user and the system. Without operating system we cannot run the computer. So in this the operating system deals with the deadlock, and they ignore the problems of altogether, and hopefully it's the never happen, and the detect deadlock and the recover from it, and the dynamically avoid the deadlock, and the careful resources allocation, and the prevent deadlock, uh, remove at least one of the four necessary conditions. We will and explore these uh, trade-off. And the next one, getting into deadlock. So A and B, C. So acquire R and the acquire S, release R, releases, and the B acquire S and the acquire T, releases and the release T. So C and the acquire T and the acquire R, so release T and the release R. So getting into the deadlocks. Here the acquire R and acquire S, acquire T. So acquire S and acquire T, acquire R. Oh, so the deadlocks in the RST and the ABC. ABC and RST are the deadlocks. That is the first one. So ABC RST acquires S, and the ABC acquires RST, and the acquire S acquire T. So the first one is the deadlock. This is the ABC and the RST. This is called a deadlock. So So it is continue to the one by one and the waiting for some time, almost the R and ST. So this is in this the deadlocks are R, and the not getting into deadlock. Many situations may weigh and the result in the dead, deadlock is the but don't have to. In the previous example, A could and the release R before C and the request R and the resulting in no deadlock and the can be always get off its this way and the find ways to and the detect deadlock and the reverse it and the stop it from the happening in the first place. And the Heuristic algorithm and the printed they these no problem and the reasonable if and the deadlocks occurs very rarely and the cost of prevention is high and the Unix and Linux and take this approach. So resources and the memory CPU central processing unit disk space are the plentiful. So Unix and the Windows are the multiple operating systems. It is the supported to the multi-user. So resources, memory and the CPU. Memory is the available in the primary and the secondary. Primary is the RAM and ROM. Secondary is the hard disk. The capacity of hard disk 500, 1 terabyte, 1 TB, and the total information is the stored in the secondary storage devices. The central processing unit available for the three, the ALU arithmetic logic unit and the control unit and the memory units. So in this the ALU arithmetic unit, it was the changed to the for example we take the A is equal to 5 and the B is equal to 6. So C is equal to A plus B, that is the 11 is the answer. So this ALU is the user can enter data, the data will be transferred into first the automatic logic unit. Here the addition subtraction whatever it may be to the change that information, after the data will be transferred into control unit. The control unit control all the activities of computers and the after the data will be transferred into the memory, that is the primary and the secondary. Primary is the RAM and ROM, the secondary is the secondary storage is the information of secondary storage. Secondary storage is the hard disk and the compact disk, CD disk, pen drive. These are the secondary storage devices. So the RAM is the primary storage devices, and the disk spaces are the plentiful, and the deadlocks over such as the resource and the rarely occurs. The deadlocks typically handled by the rebooting. So and the trade off between the convenience and the correctness and the detecting of. So detecting of the deadlocks using the graphs, the process holding and the process holding and the process holding and requests in the table and in the graph, they are the equivalent. The graph is the contains the cycle deadlock and the easy to pick out by the looking at in this case and the need to and the mechanically and the detect deadlock, and the not all processes are deadlocked. A, C and F not is not in the deadlock. So here the see the diagram is there, process and the holds wants here A B C in the D E F G. So S and the R U T W V. So and the wants S T S and S comma T S V S U. Here the uh, R A and the this is the process is the continuation A C F and this is the deadlock. Here A C and F, these are the deadlocks. A C F. And the deadlock detection algorithms, and generally idea try to find and the cycle in the resources and the allocation graph algorithm and the depth first and the search at each node. Here they make arcs as they are, and the traversed and the built list of the visited nodes, and if node 2 added is already on the list, a cycle exists, and the cycle deadlocks for each node, and the n is a graph, set L and the empty list, and the unmark of all areas they traverse. So this information is the deadlock detecting algorithm. Next one, the resource with the multiple instances. The previous algorithm only works if there's the on the instance of each resource. Uh, if there are the multiple instances of each resources, and we need to different methods, and the track occurs to, and uses of the request for each processes, and the detect deadlock try to find the scenario where all the processes can finish, and if no such is the scenario exists, we have the deadlock. Here see the diagram is the deadlock detecting algorithm, and the next one, the recovering from the deadlock. So the recovery uh, through the prevention take a resources from the sum of other processes, and that depends on the nature of the resource and the process, and the recovery through the the rollback and the checkpoint a process, and periodically use this saved state to and the restart the process if it is the founded deadlock, and may prevent a problem if the process affect lots of the external things, and the recovery through and the killing the processes, and crudest burst, and uh, but the simplest way to the break the deadlock and the kill one the processes in the deadlock is the cycle. So other process can be get in the resources, and choose the process can be, and return in the being, and the pick on the hasn't runs the far already. So prevention of deadlock. The prevention of deadlock. The prevention of deadlock. Deadlocks can be completely prevented, and ensure that the least one of the conditions for deadlock and the never occurs mutual execution, and the circular wait, and the hold and wait, and the no prevention, and the not always possible. So here uh, to develop a description of the deadlocks, which is the prevent and sets of the concurrent the processes from the completing of their tasks, and to prevent a number of different methods for the preventing or the avoiding of the deadlocks in a computer system. So the deadlock arises over the four conditions hold the situations: mutual exclusion, and the hold and wait. The only of the process time can use the resource, and the hold and wait. The a process holding and the at least one resource is the waiting to acquire the additional resources held by other processes. No prevention, and this is the resource can be related. A resource can be related only and valuable to by the process holding if and after the process completed its task, and the circular wait. There is the exist set P0 and the P1 Pn of the waiting for the process, such as the P0 is the waiting for the resources that is held by P1, and P1 is the waiting for the resource that held by P2 and the Pn minus 1, here is the waiting for the resource that is held by P1 and Pn is the waiting for the resources, and the deadlock with the mutex locks. Here the deadlocks can be occurs via calls for the locking, and see example box text resource allocation graph. The process uh, the process resources type with the 4 instances, and the p1 request for the instances rj, and the p1 is the holding of the instances of rj. uh, Already we discussed about the graphs, the basic facts. If the graph is the contains no cycle, no deadlock, and the graph is contains cycle, if the only one instance the resource by, then deadlock, and if the several instances for the resources type, the possible of the deadlock. And the methods of handling deadlocks ensure the system will be never and the enter a deadlock state, and the deadlock is the prevention, deadlock is avoidance, the allow allows by the system to enter a deadlock state and then they recover, and they ignore the problem and the prevented the deadlocks never occurs in the system, and they used by the most operating system including unix. The deadlock prevention. Safe state. So when the process request is available, resources of the system must be and decide if the immediate allocation and leaves the system in the safe state. So the system is the safe state is the exist of the sequence. So basic facts: the if the system is in the safe state, no deadlocks, and if the system is unsafe state and the possible deadlock, avoidance of the ensure that system is the never enter the unsafe deadlock. Deadlock types. So resource allocation graph here, R1, R2, and the P1, P2. Resource allocation graph algorithm supported with the graph P1 and the request for the PRJ. And next one, the request can be granted to only and converting of the request edge to the assignment edge does not request to result in the information cycle resource allocation graph. And attacking hold and wait. The requires of the process to the request resources before the starting, and a process never has to wait for what is needed, and this can the prevent of the problems. A process may not know and the required resource at start of run. This also ties up and the resource other process and could be using, and the processes will tend. And next one, this and the request for the resources they might need, and the variation, a process must give up all resources before the making a few and the request. The process is then granted all prior and the resources as well as the new and the ones. The problem wait for someone and grabs the resources, and the attacking no permission. This is the not the usually avoid the option. The consider of a process given the printer and take away from printer confusion of the ensure. So away work of the some resources, and forcibly take away from memory pages, and suspending the process. The process may be able to and the resume with the no ill and effects. Attacking circle weight. So assigning here and A B C D 1 2 3. So the always acquires the resource numerical orders, and then need not to acquire them all at once. The circle waits to prevented a process holding resources cannot be uh, cannot and await from the resources be no way to complete a cycle. And the next one, deadlock prevention summary. So mutual execution and the spool everything and the hold and wait, request all resources initially, and the no prevention take resources, and the circle wait, order to resource and numerically. Example two phases and the locking. Phase 1 and the phase 2. Phase 1 is the process tries to lock and all data information needs to one at time, and if needed data from the logs start over, and the no real work done in phase of, and the phase 2 perform updates and the release logs, and the note similarly to requesting all resources at once. Non-resources deadlocks. The possible for the two processes to deadlock, each is waiting for the other to do some take, and can happen with the semaphores. Each process required to do a down on two semaphores and the mutex and the another. If the done and the wrong of the order, deadlock is the result. Semaphores and the could be thought of as the resources. So bankers algorithms, multiple instances, each process must be priority and the maximum use. When the process requests for the resource, may have the to wait, and when the process gets the resources, and the must return them in a finite amount of time. And the data structures for the bankers algorithm. So able max allocation need. So safety algorithms and the resource request algorithm process 1 and the example bankers algorithm. Examples are there. Deadlock detection. So allow the system enter deadlock safe, and the detection algorithm recoveries. So several instances of resource type and the available a vector of the length m, and the indicates the number of available resources of each type. Allocation and the nxm matrix of the defines the number of the resources each type currently allocated to each process, and the request and nxm and the matrix of the indicates to the uh, current request of each process. So recovery from the deadlock process and the termination. So about all deadlocked processes, about and the about the deadlock process, about the process is at a time until the deadlock cycles uh, estimated, and in which of order to should choose about the prior of the process, how long process has computed, and how much longer to completion, resources the process has used, and the resources process needs to complete, and the how many processes will need to be terminated is the process in the interactive batch, and the selecting victim and minimize cost, and the rollback return to some safe state, and the restart process for the state, and the starvation uh, same process may be always be picked as a victim, and the include number of rollback cost factor. So the algorithm allocation of the resources, the main useful of the system information totally, the definition of the. So recovery through to prevention, and that take the resource from the sum of the process, and that depends on the nature of the resources and process. Recovery thoughts a rollback. Uh, checkpoint is the process, and periodically use this saved state and the result process if it is found deadlocks, and maybe present the a problem uh, process affects loss of the external things and the recovery, uh, the killing of the process, and the broadest but the simplest way to and the break deadlock, kill one of the processes in the deadlock cycle, and the other processes can be get the its the resources, and the choose of the process can be and the being of the pick one and hands run to the far always. So thank you, students.